How much time it will take, that is completely depends upon me. Now I don't have any planning, so then we'll see. As we traditionally we are putting a VPN, virtual private network. What is the use of it? Okay, explanations. We'll do that one. So, but just a heading only, virtual private network. But my point is not virtual private network, guys. My point is leased lines, WAN and LAN communication. LAN and WAN type of communications. These are important. Next one is LAN. So I will tell you a little story, guys. The story is the drawing story. It is there. I'll draw here with this place only. So we'll see that drawing. Actually, for drawing, always paintbrush is best. Okay. So we'll try this one. Try to understand, guys. It is a very simplest concept. It is a very simple concept. This is my office, my infrastructure, my organization. My organization. Okay. My office, my scientists. So for example, okay. So this is an organization, main office, an organization. This is office. In this one, I have a servers. Okay. Infrastructure. Servers are there, different type of servers, database servers, storages, networking related like a router, switches are there. Just I am giving an example. This is a database server, okay, or a mail server, or a web server. So like that. So there's a different servers are there. For example, it is a web server. I'm managing a web server inside. This is a web server. Now I want to access this database server. I'm the client. I'm a person who is working in the same organization in the same local network. Okay, so I'm a client candidate. Okay, so I'm a user. So easy, right? So user, I'm a user. What I will do, I will connect to this database server. Yes, see, this is really working. Same. It is. People think, okay, so how people think it is. What happened to this? Just trying. That is okay. I'm connecting to my database server from my application or something. I do work, right? This is simple. All are same LAN network, entire private network, right? So what is this? This is my LAN network. This is my LAN. Meaning is this is my private network. This is a LAN. Means it is a my private network. This is my private network. My office private network. So I can access both user and the server or maybe system something in the same location. I can access. You guys understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I have a branch office. So this is a corporate office. So that is a branch office. I have a branch office somewhere located. For example, in a Hyderabad, we have a branch office. So this is I'm giving a main corporate office, okay, or a head office. Okay, my organization head office at New Jersey, and my branch office is in Hyderabad. So this is one of the branch. Mention Hyderabad branch. It is a Hyderabad branch office. And here 2 points, guys. So first I will tell 1 point, try to understand, same user wise. Here this branch office user is also there, right? He want to access this web server or a DB server. How you can able to access? Both are in geographically separate. Both are different geographical separate like network. This is my one private. This is my one private. Right? Intranet. So in this case, it is intranet. This is a intranet. Now this is one private. How to communicate from here to here? Generally, internet. In generally, internet. In generally, internet. So internet directly connecting through internet is very dangerous. Okay, directly connected through internet is very dangerous. So what this organization will do? They go for a leased lines. Means dedicated connection. It's a dedicated connection. Leased lines. Dedicated connections. Guys, we are using internet, that is broadband. That is a broadband. Broadband internet is just like everyone in the highway road only. How highway road is there? Bigger, right? While you are going to office, you started at 6 o'clock. You may reach office by 6:15. You started at 7 o'clock. You may reach office at 7:20. You started at 8 o'clock. You reach at 8:30. 9 o'clock. 9:45. 10 o'clock. No one knows. Okay. So of course you may have an experience near to your city areas in generally. So I'm not tagging one particular area. Like I have seen traffic means Hyderabad and Bangalore. So that is 1 inch is also cannot move. Very difficult to move a 1 inch. Okay, that is very difficult. Okay, so depends upon the time, traffic, you are getting data transmission speed. Now, these laser lines are dedicated lines connected directly from one organization from one location to another location. Of course, it is a extranet, so not intranet, not internet. It is a kind of extranet because this private network and this private network are connected through leased lines. Different standards are there, so we'll see that one also. Now, how this user is able to connect? You will go to this and connect it to the server. Okay, so this is so user connected to this server. For some server name is there, so we don't know the server name. Okay. So some server it is a something S1 server is connecting through this dedicated lines. How this user is connected to this server like a local private. Same way, the user is also connecting this S1, just like a how you connect a local machine in your private network. How you are connecting, same way only. We don't use any direct public IP address here. All both are now in the same private. Both are look like a both are in a same private only. Not only these guys, also I will tell one more point. Okay, in my branch office also I have a some servers are there. Okay, also I have a certain servers. Now I want to synchronize the data between these servers. For example, from this DB to this DB server. Like this web server, I want to connect it to this web server. Okay, this is also a web server, for example, and this DB server to this DB server. Okay, like we can connect these servers and synchronize their information or their data. Like that, we can able to do it. Okay, so because of both are in the same network through this network. Okay, for example, this is some web. Okay, so guys, a user in the different geographical location can able to access a device or a server or a service in the different geographical location by connecting via a dedicated connection or a leased line, just like how he is accessing, like both are in a private wise only, same private network only. Understand guys up to leased lines? Hmm? No one is speaking. Said already, drawing is difficult in this one. So I will put like this because this is the main server. Or we can move here also, no problem. Little bit down. This is good. Guys, this is also a branch office. Think like this is another branch office. I put a branch office is a Noida. It is a small branch office. Like I don't want to pay. Like a Hyderabad is a big branch, and like how I spending money for a Hyderabad. So that much money I don't want to put it. Okay. So Noida batch don't have a Noida. Sorry, not Noida branch. I don't get any dedicated connections. Now what to do? But and these also having a user. This branch also having a user. This user also need to get connected, right? This is also having a user. This user want to connect it to this server or a web or this kind of infrastructure from here. But it is, we cannot provide a leased line. Okay, because leased lines are costly. Leased lines, you have to pay for a line, public IP addresses, okay, and the cost of maintenance, firewalls, so many things you have to maintain. So security firewalls is you should maintain, and The cost you have to maintain means the dedicated connection, monthly, yearly bills are there, and public IP addresses wise also you have to maintain. Okay, the routers, dedicated routers are required for this private communication to that private communication. Okay, so that is the leisure lines or maintenance is cost, but it is also very important for an organization because we are not entering any public network through leisure lines. We are not entering into any public leisure lines. 1 second. Okay. So next one is, already this part is work from home candidate. This is home user, work from home candidate. Here also we cannot give any leisure line. So what we will do it? The person is unable to come to office, work from home, and small branch offices, we cannot give leisure lines for that one. They are able to connect internet, but we cannot able to provide a leisure line. So what is the solution is VPN, virtual private network. This is a VPN server. Okay, I have a VPN server which is middle between this private and public. So this side is a private network. So other side it is public network it is. Okay, and the other side is public network. So public means it is internet. It represent through the cloud, right? Okay, so through VPN, we are connected. Yeah, this is today. Why this much hungry for my mouse, laptop, desktop? Okay, so one side it is go to internet, another side is a private network. You are a home user, you have an internet connection in home, and you are connected to your internet. Okay, and branch offices also can able to connect internet. So internet connected to internet is very easy because internet is more public. We are going through internet connection only, public connectivity. So what it will do, what we do, we'll send a request to this VPN server. I'm a user, my username, this is my username, this is my password, and this is the connectivity request like a tunneling protocol encryptions. We have to give our request and certificate details, encryption related information you have to give to your VPN. VPN will verify your request. Okay, yes, this is the user can able to access VPN, then they allow you to access their infrastructure. Okay, so they will allow to access. But point is, this entire line is encrypted. This entire line is encrypted. Okay, it is passes through tunnels. So your access virtually it is like a private only. Same goes for your branch offices. You go through the VPN, then VPN is allowed to access your private network. Okay. Okay. So what is this VPN, guys? You can connect to your private network, your organization private network through this VPN. Okay. Of course, anything you are connecting through public, it is unsecure. But what is the use of this VPN? It secure your connectivity from your device to VPN. It is make it secure. Okay. The connection is secure. So that's why it is called a virtual private network. No one is speaking anything. Is out of your order or what?
No, sir, getting.
Okay. Okay. So what is a VPN? Virtual private network. So it is a service that helps you to stay private online. VPN establish secure, encrypted connection between your computer and internet, providing private channel for your data and communication while you are using public network. So you are communicating in the public only, but the line, what are the data you are sending and receiving, it is passes through a private tunnel. So like that, it is got secure. Your data is secure. Okay, so that's the point. Okay, so these are the tunnels. So private tunnels are there. Na? These are the tunnels. PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol. SSTP, secure socket tunneling protocol. L2TP, layer 2 tunneling protocol. IKE, IPSec. So different kind of stuff protocols are there up to here. Okay, L2TP or IPSec are both are same. Something it is there. Okay. So these are the tunneling protocols, PPTP, SSTP, secure socket, I think, secure socket tunneling protocol, L2TP, layer 2 tunneling protocol, internet key exchange. So these are the tunneling protocols used. This is for authentication purpose. Other radius server, to directory server. Servers. These are used to for authenticating user. User authenticating and authorizing purpose, we use different servers. To secure the line, we use tunnels like a PPTP, L2TP kind of stuff. And here another definition is there. Okay. VPN uses end-to-end encryption to provide you with online privacy and security. It routes your data through the encrypted tunnels, so nobody can see what you are doing on the internet and expose your identity. Even if your hackers intercept your encrypted traffic, they won't able to view its content. Don't worry, guys. I will tell one point after telling this one. Okay, so these are the things I'm giving what are I collected in point, which is more suitable for what I'm trying to say. Okay, these are all more suitable to what I'm trying to say. Okay. So just for our understanding. Okay. VPN is a safe and cheaper than leased lines. That's why we are using VPNs also. Of course, leased lines are important, and where we are using VPN, so where we cannot able to provide leased lines, like a branch, small branch offices, home users, people always roaming from one place to another place. Okay, so they're required a VPN connectivity. Now people are doing work from home, so definitely VPN connectivity. Originally, guys, VPN is meant for a organization to organization, site to site VPNs, remote VPNs, mobile VPNs are there. So VPNs are used for a organization purpose. What are the VPNs you guys are using nowadays? That is not that actually what VPN means. Okay. Nowadays, as I know, because I have seen some these Instagram reels also. Some people are telling, "Sir, I'm using this VPN, so through VPN I am connecting this network like that." So yes, of course, but problem is, we really it is a correct one or not, we don't know. Okay, so I will come to that point. Last I will tell, but this is try to understand. VPN is safe and cheaper than leased lines. Of course, leased lines, you have to pay a lot of money for a leased lines, public IP addresses, and other maintenance infrastructure cost is also required. User connected to remote infrastructure like a connected in a local network. User connected to remote infrastructure like a connected in a local network. So as I said, so how this user is connected to this server in the private, same way this user can also connected to this servers. Same way this is also connected in the servers. Okay, even you are in a public. Okay, this user is in the private, this user in the public, but both are accessing these servers like a connect like a public, like a in the local network means private only. So where we cannot able to use leased line connection, there VPN works. Last point is right. There are mainly four type of VPNs are given the list here. Four main type of VPNs: remote access VPNs, okay, remote access VPNs, personal VPNs, mobile VPNs, and site-to-site VPN. Guys, site-to-site VPN means, see this is the branch office. I have a server here, for example. I want to synchronize this server information to this server information. Instead of using a leased lines, I can sync between this VPN to VPN connectivity. Here I put a one VPN, here I put a one VPN. So this data will be connected through these VPNs. Site to site VPN means one branch to another branch. Direct VPN connectivities. Using VPN, we can able to synchronize the data, access data like that. This means both the side dedicated VPN connectivity we are giving instead of dedicated lines. So both side we are using. Remote access VPN. I said work from home. Okay, so I have internet connectivity. Through internet, I am trying to reach my VPN. Once I reach my VPN, once it is authenticated and authorized, it make my line as a secure, so I can access my infrastructure like I am in their private network. That is a personal remote access VPN type. Personal VPN, so the person is using to access the remote infrastructure for their self for personal VPN. Mobile VPN, nowadays people are using mobile VPNs also. Somewhere some point. The last one is a leased line point I am telling. Okay. While you are reading, also check this. What are the leased line? It is a reserved circuit between two communication points that is always active, rented for a monthly fee. Leased lines are dedicated, meaning that any bandwidth association with the leased line solely for a private organizational use. This organization to this organization use purpose only, that line is there, not for everyone. It's direct private line. We don't use any encryption to secure this line. Why? Because it is a private line. We don't require encryption method here. But VPN is, we are connecting through VPN through public internet. So compulsory we have to use encryption method. There is some standards are there, like a T1 line, E1 line, T2 line, E2 lines are there. Find out those things also. As I said, guys, I will tell about certain things about a VPN, what you people knows based on it. Okay, I have told VPN to connect your infrastructure through VPN connectivity. So from your PC, you have a VPN client application. Okay, so you are connecting through this VPN client application through your internet. Okay, so request is finally reached to your VPN server. VPN server verify your username, password. Okay, once you are authenticated, it is allow you to access its private network. For you, it is look like you are accessing your own private, like you are in the same private network. How you are accessing, same way you are accessing. In other statement is also there, accessing a private network or the public network. Accessing private network over the public network. Yes, of course, we are accessing our private network through public network using VPN. Okay, that statement is also there. Okay, but there are a lot of explanations on this. One statement is not enough for VPN. Guys, this is what I said, remote access VPN. And second one is site to site. I have a branch office, I have a servers in that one. Both the side I put a VPN, so both VPNs are connected directly. They sharing the information through public network through VPN. Okay, both private networks are connected through public network using VPN, site to site. Mobile VPNs, personal VPNs, what you people are using. Guys, first of all, why those VPNs are using from so many years. Okay, if there is a hacker, okay, so here I use one word, but it does not mean exactly, you should not take a different meaning from here. Okay, so somewhere hacker word is came here. Okay, so in internet, your identity cannot be exposed. Even if hackers intercept your encrypted traffic, they won't able to view what is the content because of it is encrypted. Okay, and it is passing through a tunnels, so it is no one will understand what is the data inside. They cannot data tampering is difficult if you are passing through VPN. It is secure, but try to understand. Normally, if hacker want to hack certain system, some remote server, okay, some network you want to attack, first hacker never do anything alone. There is an associated VPN servers are there. In this world, entire world map having, there is so many VPN servers are there. Okay, VPN loopholes are there. Lot of. He will go through like this. One, another one, another one, another one, another one, like this. He will reach here. Now, when he is returning, he will return like this. If you understand this map, what I'm trying to say, So if these people want to trace back who is hacking also, they'll get confused. Lot of jumps from one VPN network to another VPN. So why people are trying to steal? Why people are, people try to use your system to reach somewhere. Okay, just like GTA Vice City type. So he's going somewhere running by running. He want a bike, he will steal your bike and go. And he use a bike for some time and leave the bike and he will take another bike or a car. So
Yes, sir.
simply like he'll jump from one place to another place so to reach somewhere. So hackers use VPNs mostly. Why? Because of to protect themselves from not to trace back. Okay. Second use of okay. Second use of point means lot of people why they want a VPN. So in India, lot of websites are not working. For example, torrent websites. Second one, okay, first one is the torrent type of website. Certain things like certain websites, like a pornographic websites, or maybe movie related websites. Amazon is there, no? Amazon Prime Video. India only
Yes, sir.
few certain movies and series we cannot
Yes,
view.
Netflix too.
Yeah, Netflix, America Netflix is different. India Netflix is different. Okay. So some people what they want to do, they want to access because their brothers, sisters are working in America. So that websites also cannot open here. Okay, what they will do? So they'll take a VPN service. So this is the VPN server in US, somewhere in the Canada kind of stuff. Okay, so Canada is a more vulnerable place now, so less rules, only Canada rules. So we are in India, so with our VPN client, we are connecting to this. Now this will allow you to access their network in this country network. Okay, in this public network, you are communicating through this VPN. So you are accessing data from this VPN to India. This is one way. Okay, but I don't know which VPN you are using here. I don't know. So you have to check that one, guys. Genuinity of that VPN is very important. Someone is providing VPN for a cheaper VPN, free VPN, paid VPN, paid or free, whatever it is, guys. If the VPN is actually created by a hacker, what will happen? Think. There is a yeah, what we can say, thieves are there, no? Thieves, robberies, they create something.
How proxy server are different to VPN? Like proxy is not encrypted, I know that, but how it works?
Yeah.
It works similar way in like VPN
Proxy,
or
proxy is different and VPN is different.
Sir, but I have
Proxy
heard VPN
is,
and proxy servers with same.
no. Proxy also dangerous. Safe, no safe, that is different, guys. It is, I said, no, first story is correct story. Means organizations to protect their data while people are accessing from public for working purpose. That is different. So organization is responsible for VPN. Okay. These VPNs, either proxy type VPNs or a VPN kind of stuff, check their genuinity. Genuinity, guys. Kaspersky is providing, maybe you trust. Not 32 is providing, maybe you'll trust. Okay. Airtel is providing, trust. Someone is something providing. Who is he? Is a hacker is created the direct VPN? Okay, that's what I'm telling, guys. Police and the thieves. Okay, so that's we don't know who is he. He said, "I'm a police." He stop you bike and he give me money. Otherwise, I won't leave you. Is a police really a police or something is a thief, cheater, right? He wearing a police dress. That's it. Understand? Maybe you have seen movies, CBI officer riding, duplicate CBI officer riding movies. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, so my personal suggestion, that's why I'm telling this story, guys. Why? Because of while you are using any VPN kind of stuff, check their genuinity. Okay, not because of your friend is using, because how much your friend is more intelligent, we don't know, right? So check what is the company, from what company it is. It's a genuine company, or is it a really organization which we are known from several years? So please check it. Okay. So simple example I told, a CBI officer, police officer, dress identity is there, but really real police officer or duplicate police officer. Okay, that is it. Yeah, you asked a good question, guys. That is very important. Proxy server. Proxy server means this is my network. I have a servers. Sorry, I have a devices or a servers, whatever it is. I want to communicate outside of my network. So what I will do, I will communicate all the communication through this another PC IP address. Means all are sending a packet to this machine or a PC or a proxy server. Proxy server send packets outside with a proxy server IP address. Just there's people are hidden, their identity is hidden inside. But while they are communicating outside, it is a public IP address. Okay, that is what proxy it is. That's why I said now VPN don't, with one statement VPN cannot be satisfied, because of here also statement is hiding your own IP address and send a packets with a different IP. Then it is become proxy now. So VPN need more statements. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
is it possible to get the details about the IP address of different routers using trace RT while using a VPN? Because VPN blocks the end-to-end, like it gives the only information, it not retains our information inside. So it is possible to get
Yes,
details
I
of
never
IP.
tried that one. Good question. I got it idea. So next time I will try. Okay. So while you are using a regular trace RT, you are jumping. So plainly you are jumping from one router, next router, next router, next router. Finally, you are reaching the destination. So we are getting trace RT output, this router IP address, this router IP address, this router IP. But VPN is you are not really using your own IP address, because that is already done. That connectivity is once you are happened with your remote infrastructure. Now you are using your own private IP to jump. So whether it is works or not, whether really it will go outside of your private or you are going to this part. So there is a two answers. You can try like this. This is your PC. You have VPN. You establish a VPN connectivity, means this is your infrastructure. So you can connect it to your infrastructure. For example, you open a Google page. Google page is also normally Google page go through your public network. But this is you are already connected private, so every packet should be go to private only. Means so this Google request is go to this wait, go to your infrastructure. From there it will go outside. That is in generally it will happens. So you open it. So that's why if you ask your brother or your sister or someone using a VPN connected work from home candidate. So can I use your laptop? No. Wait. I'm connected to VPN. Let me disconnect VPN. What will happen once they are connected to VPN? Whether whatever you open, okay, website or anything, the request go to this their infrastructure. From their infrastructure to outside it will go. Okay, so you're traveling to that server to means the VPN, their infrastructure, office infrastructure. From there you have to communicate. So you'll get a trace RT output, but it may different from original trace RT. You can also try, like you try in your PC, you try with someone is using VPN. You can try what is their output and your output. You can get it. Good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, this is about your VPN, and that's today's last class. If possible, I will forward some questions, and I didn't check the answers, guys. At least go through the questions, answers we can try, and 1 or 2 videos. If you have chance, any other chances are there, we can discuss. Okay. So all the best for your exam and the test, everything. Prepare well,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
guys.